Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to change phone number in Airbnb. If you haven't subscribed to my channel before starting the video, do so quickly. First of all, you have to click on your profile at the right bottom. Now here you have to click on top personal details. When you click on personal details, you will see an option for phone number. You have to click on the edit button in front of it. Here you can see that you have to click on this edit button. Now if you want to add your new phone number here, then here you have to click on add another phone number. If you want to change your previous number, then you have to click on this edit button. When you click on the edit button, now here you have to add your phone number, and after that you have to select your country. After you select your phone number and country, you have to verify your phone number. After verification, your phone number will be changed automatically. This is how you can change your phone number on Airbnb. Thanks for watching this video.